Jai Jagannath friends, welcome to JobSolve channel. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So if you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 29 April 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Which state government has banned public gathering till June 30, 2020? So this is done by Uttar Pradesh government. So some GK related to Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow. Its CM is Yogi Adityanath and governor is Anandben Patel. Question 2. When was World Veterinary Day observed? So World Veterinary Day is observed on 25th of April. So this year the theme is environment protection for improving animal and human health. So each year on April last Saturday they are celebrating World Veterinary Day. Question number 3. Basava Jayanti was celebrated on 26th April. Saint Basava founded which sect? So he founded Lingayat sect. So Basava Jayanti is an annual event celebrated in the honor of the birth of Vishwaguru Basaveshwara, the 12th century philosopher and social reformer in Karnataka. Question number 4. The National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India, that is NAFED, is to distribute 6 lakh metric tons of pulses under which government scheme? So they will distribute pulses on Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana scheme. So under this scheme, every household is to receive 1 kg of pulses. So some GK to NAFED. NAFED headquarters present in New Delhi and Dr. Vijendra Singh is its chairman. Question number 5. Which IIT institution has been ranked at 57th in the second edition of Times Higher Education of Impact ranking? So it is IIT Kharagpur. Question number 6. First ever digital geological map of moon was released by Geological Survey of which country? So it is United States Geological Survey. So this map is also called Unified Geologic Map of the Moon. Some GK related to USA. USA capital is Washington DC. Donald Trump is its president and currency is dollar. Question number 7. Matthias Boe, who has announced his retirement, is associated with which sport? So he is a Denmark badminton who won silver medal in the Olympic. Question number 8. Researcher of which institution have developed scientifically proven 2 herbal products, namely CIM Poshak and herbal cough syrup? So this is done by Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants. Question number 9. Reserve Bank of India has announced a special liquidity facility of rupees how many crore for mutual funds? So it is rupees 50,000 crore. Some GK related to RBI. RBI was founded on 1st April 1935. Its headquarters present in Mumbai and governor is Shaktikant Das. Question number 10. Devanand Kanwar passed away recently. He was related to which field? So he was a politician and he was also a former governor of Bihar, West Bengal and Tripura. Question number 11. Which country has put an end to the death penalty of crimes committed by minors? So this is done by Saudi Arabia. And recently Saudi Arabia also abolished flogging as a form of punishment. And Saudi Arabia also the host country for G20 Nation 2020. Some GK related to Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia capital is Riyadh and Saudi Riyal is its currency. Question number 12. Which country has recently launched its controversial coronavirus tracking app called COVIDSafe? So this is done by Australia. So why it is controversial? Because due to the privacy issue of this app. Some geography to Australia. Australia capital is Canberra and its currency is Australian dollar. Question number 13. Which bank has partnered with All India Management Association, that is AIMA, to organize workshop named the Contract Management During Emergency Situation? So this is by World Bank. Some geography to World Bank. World Bank headquarters present in Washington DC. It was founded on July 1944 and David Malpass is its president. Question number 14. Which has become the first government hospital in the country to successfully launch plasma therapy treatment for COVID-19? So it is at King George Medical University, that is present in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 15. Which state government has decided to extend financial assistance of rupees 2000 to each of the discharged COVID-19 patient? So this is done by Andhra Pradesh. So why they are giving 2000 rupees? Because after the discharge of the COVID-19 patient, he will have some nutritious food to enhance his immunity power. Some GK related to Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh capital is Amaravati. Y.S. Jagmohan Reddy is its chief minister and governor is Biswabhushan Harichandan. Question number 16. The education minister of which state has launched the Sampark Baitak mobile app? So it is launched by Haryana education minister. So what will this app will do? This app has over 500 videos and audios for different concepts from each subject for primary students of the state. And recently they have also launched a app, that is Help Me app, to provide all necessary facility like telemedicines, movement passes, etc. Some GK related to Haryana. Haryana capital is Chandigarh. Manohar Lal Khattar is its chief minister and Satyadev Narayan Arya is its governor. Question number 17. In which state has the National Board for Wildlife recommended coal mining in a part of an elephant reserve? So this elephant reserve present in Assam, where a coal mine is present. Some GK related to Assam. Assam capital is Dispur. Sarbananda Sonowal is its chief minister and Jagdish Mukhi is its governor. And recently they have launched the Dhanvanti scheme. As per the scheme, they will provide free medicine at doorstep, and if the medicine cost is below 200 rupees, it is free of cost. And this scheme is applicable which medicine are not available locally. Question number 18. Zarina Hasmi passed away. She was related to which field? She was related to art. Question number 19. Who has issued a detailed guideline of the Sambhita scheme? So Sambhita scheme detailed guideline is launched by Narendra Singh Tomar. So what this scheme will do? This scheme is aimed at providing the people residing in rural parts with the right to document their residential properties. Question number 20. Who has been appointed as America's next envoy to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, that is OECD? So her name is Manisha Singh. Question number 21. The CM of which state has announced an ex gratia of Rs 15 lakhs to the family members of the working journalist who died of COVID-19? So this is done by Naveen Patnaik, the Chief Minister of Odisha. And recently Naveen Patnaik also announced that he will provide 50 lakhs to the family members of the medical staff or health care officials who died in COVID-19. Question number 22. Which country has informed about the cancellation of the exercise, that is Pitch Black 2020, which is going to held between 27 July to 14 August 2020? So it is by Australia. So Australia capital is Canberra, and Australian dollar is its currency. Question number 23. Middle distance runner Juma Khatun has been banned for how many years by the Athletics Integrity Unit of the World Athletics? It is 4 years. And why is banned? He got positive by taking some steroids. Question number 24. Who among the following has been banned from all forms of cricket for 3 years for failing to report corrupt approach? So it is Umar Akmal, the Pakistan cricketer. Question number 25. Vijay Mishra passed away recently. He was related to which field? So he was a lyricist of Odisha. Last question of the day. James M. Beggs passed away recently. He was the former administrator of which of the following organization? So he was the former administrator of NASA. So NASA full form is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Its headquarters present in Washington DC, and it was founded on 29 July 1958. And recently NASA has celebrated the 30th anniversary of Hubble telescope, that is on 24th April. And one ventilator also launched by NASA, that's name is Vital, and Vital full form is Ventilator Intervention Technology Accessible Locally. So this is the current affairs of 29 April. So this is the question of the day. Where is the WHO headquarters located? That is World Health Organization. Just write down in the comments what will the answer. So thanks for your time. I'll attach this PDFs in the description box. You can go and download it from there. So stay safe at home. Be happy. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.